yeah, this is what we do. This is what you guys can do when you get it outside at home. Is one pan, and it just goes like this.
I want to try.
You want to try? Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, but see, smell this. This isn't as bad as what it smells like inside the greenhouse. See? So you want it all across this bale. Just this bale. Okay, good.
This is
I
what she
bet we
was
need
saying.
more.
Oh, this is what she was saying. You take the seed starter, remember the seed starter we're using in the greenhouse?
Yep.
And the compost, which we have a ton of compost.
Yep.
And then you mix them together. And then you make holes in the bales when they're ready. And then you fill them with this stuff. And then you make another hole and you put the seedling in there and then it starts growing.
She got inspired last year, and she just put 3 bales down. And she did bush beans in one of them, yard longs. She did watermelon in one.
Oh, wow.
But she was so happy about it that she went out and got 12 this year to do it
like
again.
more! And just start like expanding and getting used to
See, that's the
doing.
problem with it. A green, like our lettuces, we can put probably 8 in a bale.
Oh, wow, okay.
If you're gonna do peppers or tomatoes, 2 per bale is plenty.
Okay.
Because if they grow like ours have done each year, they end up bushing more than when they're in the ground.
Okay.
And so 2 fills a bale, literally. And you do have to fertilize them. This old smokehouse,
That's really neat.
starting in 2 weeks, we're gonna clean up. This is all.
okay?
This is all getting a deck around it.
Is it a trap?
But
Is it a trap?
inside, we're gonna create a
First, can I
full
try?
kitchen,
Okay.
so that this year we can do the hot sauces straight. Pick them, dry them, smoke them.
Oh, cool.
Because we have a smoker as well. So
Yeah.
that's all coming down here. So it's literally all
year.
here.
Yeah.
Ladybugs are in here.
Yeah.
No, those are not ladybugs.
Those are
Hold
not.
on.
Can I hold one?
Those are not so nice.
Bring